Hi everyone, just going to do a really quick little review of this wireless keyboard, mini wireless keyboard. As you can see, nice and small. It's got a lovely sturdy metal back on it, little rubber feet for the grip. The back of it's got plastic on it there, which keeps it raised to make it nice and comfortable when typing. The little dongle is kept in there, which I've taken out now. And on the back of it there you have the on-off, and you have the little mini USB, which is the charging point. It comes with a cable which has the mini USB on it there, if that'll focus. You also have the port for the dongle, and you have a normal USB. So the good thing about this is when you're using this, you can charge it while you're still using it, which is great. So if the battery runs low in it, you don't have to stop using it. But as with other products that I have had in the past, the battery life is normally really good in it. I've been using this for nearly a week now, constantly. Haven't had to charge it apart from the initial charge. Did come charged anyway, but obviously it's normally around 50% the charge that they come with. I've used this on a laptop with Windows 10. I've used it on a laptop with Windows XP and Windows 7. Seems to work with everything I've tried it on. I've tried it on an Android TV. It's worked fine on that. The only thing it didn't work with was my old Sony 3D KDL TV, and I think that's mainly just because of the age that the Sony didn't accept the wireless dongle. It's excellent if you're going to use it for something like a Fire TV. If you're going to be using it to navigate through Kodi or things like that, really useful. I personally don't use it for Kodi on my TV because I have a Fire Stick which doesn't accept wireless, but I have got a wireless mini keyboard handheld one, which is a Bluetooth one, which is what I use on there, and that is absolutely tremendous, much easier than using one of those stupid little remote controls that comes with it. As you can see, full QWERTY keyboard, got everything you need up the top there, cut, pastes, volumes, it's got the play pauses, and it's got the left mouse, right mouse, scrolls, touchpad on here. One finger is left, two fingers does the right click actions. When you turn it on, you will see the power will come on at the top there, which I'll show you in a second. I mainly use this with my tablet. I have an Android tablet, a Samsung 10.1 Galaxy Note. I find it easier on this because the keyboards, as most of you who use Android tablets will find, they're pretty hit and miss. They've come on a long way, but they're still quite frustrating when you're trying to type anything and you're trying to type it quickly, but it doesn't give spaces, and you'll all know what I mean with that. So I connect it with a little USB OTG on the go. So a couple of quid off eBay. So you literally pop it into that. There. Let me pull my thing forward here and see if I can get it all in shot. Connect that at the top. Hopefully this will work first time. It's gone straight into Kodi, so we'll come out of that. And there we go. So let me turn this on. You see the blue light has come on, and hopefully the keyboard will be working. There you go. You can see the little, if you can, see the little arrow moving around. And you can use this to navigate through everything on there. It works great on Google. So you can type in anything you want on there, such as mini keyboard. So type in Re Mini Wireless Keyboard. It'll bring up the search results. If you use the 2 fingers, you can scroll through. If you want to go on and have a little look at any YouTube videos, you just have to excuse all the recommended on there, as my 3-year-old daughter has been using this to watch Hollow Herb programs on. So if we go on something like Top 40 this week, and we just have a little watch of something on here, I can show you then how the volume will work on it.
Lights,
and
camera, action.
It's literally just shift up and down, which is really good, to be honest. It's really, really good. It's so convenient. There's no issues with it at all. You know, apart from the fact that YouTube's a nightmare and you can't get anything without 100 adverts on it anymore. But the volume works. There you go, that will go up and down. Really easy. Really easy. So let's turn that off. Okay. So, we escape on that, and we get out of that completely. There you go, it'll take me right back then. As I say, this will work with Kodi, if you've got it on your TV, if you've got it on anything at all, it'll work with it. Say I tend to use it on here. I use Kodi on here. I don't use it on my TV apart from with my Fire Stick, which again is used with something else, with my Bluetooth. So, as I say, works absolutely fine with everything. So there you go. The Mini Wireless Keyboard. Solid, sturdy, really responsive keys. What more can I say? Works a dream. Would definitely recommend this if you're after a little wireless keyboard. Recommends it retails on Amazon at $25.99, I think, which is nothing really if you're going to be using it. Absolute little star. And I haven't used many of the others, but for what I have used, this has got a much better battery life than anything else, which is really important, because the last thing you want to be doing is charging one of these constantly. You want something that's going to hold its charge and is going to work when you need it to work, which I always find this. Whenever I pick it up, switch it on, I can get on with it straight away. I haven't got to sit down, wait an hour for something to charge before I can use it. So, there you go. Any comments, any questions, leave them in the comments section and I will do my best to answer them if I can. Thanks.